Alright, we're back again. Here we are at West End. Come to have a look at the house. I had to do a little, remove one or two little pieces of steel that were in the way, so we chopped them out of the way and keep the carpenters happy. The roof, they took the old roof off. They've got a new roof going on there. That goes on tomorrow on Monday. And the posts are in upstairs. Don't know if you can see that. Through all the scaffolding, they've got the gable on to make it look nice. Yeah, it's all starting to look good. As I said, the roof goes on tomorrow on Monday on the upper level, and then next week on the lower level at the back. Once the roof's on, then they can start doing all the claddings inside and out. So we're going through, show you what they did at the back. And it's all looking good. It's amazing how a house cleans up once it's got the carpentry done. Going down the back here and around. We go right down the back here. There's the double garage. Looking back at the house, there we are. Look at that. That'll look nice when it's done. And the roof's on. I hopefully get back again sometime in the next couple of weeks to show you what it looks like with cladding on. See how we go. But yeah, she's coming up well. As we go in here, we'll show you how big that room is. It's a lot easier to see now. It's all walled in. Trying to get through this maze of braces. Yeehaw. The garage, through the laundry, into the kitchen. There we are. Look at that. As I said before, big enough to swing a large cat in. Okay, and there's the stairwell. So that's the corner post, and the stairs go up there around. But that's huge. That's a huge room. That's for the island bench. So there's a 5 metre long island bench going here, right there. And I'm standing in the kitchen cupboards at the moment, and hot plates and whatever. The sink, the sink's over there. There's the hot plate stuff. Anyway, we'll find out one day. But yeah, looking good. It's coming out well. All right. I hope this was of interest to see what it looks like now it's all got racing on and all the studs are in. So it's got the rooms. Upstairs they've done some work, but yeah, nowhere near finished up there yet. They're waiting, as I said, waiting for the roof to go on. Once the roof goes on, you can see there's all the rafters, or should I say the trusses, and the steel battens. Another room, all the storage rooms. Ooh, pool full of water. That's a pool they've been working on for the last 6 months to pull it out and put it back in again. Wow, looking cool. I wasn't expecting that. All done. All right. No, we've done this bit. It's great. And we're out of here. Until next time. Catch you guys again. As I said, hope it was of interest. It is exciting for me to see it like this. As I said before, it's not very often I get back to actually see a house after we've stumped it. So it's always interesting to see what they did. Most of it I can picture in my head because I've been in the building industry since I was 2 years old. So I can picture most of it. But hard to relay that to anybody else, because unless you're picture graphic, it's hard to see. But yeah, okay. We will catch you guys again soon. All right. Thanks for coming along to have a look, and please make comment or hit the subscribe button and the like button. It'd be very much appreciated. Keep on going to grow this channel. It takes some effort, I can tell you. The amount of videos we got up there yet already, and many more to come. But yeah, Looking cool. Okay, thanks guys. Catch you soon. Bye.